Alright, so now in this video we're going to check out the quality of this Insta 360. This is the first time I'm taking the camera out. I have it using the vertical mount, so that way I can show you in Instagram, TikTok, and even on Shorts on YouTube. I also have it plugged into the mic adapter using the internal mic that I typically use on all of my motovlogs to see how it captures the sound of my voice as well as the sound of the motorcycle. So let's take it for our spin and let's take it for a quick test. Let me give you a nice cold start here. And then I'm also going to show you the amazing versatility that this camera has, where I think it's one of the major points where I think it's dramatically better than the GoPro. I've got a handle that I'm going to use here, and I'm going to show you how easy this thing comes on and comes off. Let me grab that real quick. So it just goes right on. Now you see this right here? That's the game changer. That's the mount where I can take that Insta 360 and interchange it super fast from my helmet to this handle, take this off, take a bunch of different shots while the crew is riding, and then boom, click it on right here. That versatility only comes with this Insta 360. I am wearing my Beyond Riders protective hoodie. I just got this. I'll show you a different view of that now. And of course my Indy Ridge gloves. So I'm testing obviously two things, maybe three. One, video quality, capturing the sunset, see how it looks. Two, and more importantly, the real test that I'm doing here is the mic. See how well it captures the sound of my voice as well as the sound of the bike. And then three, although I've tested it already, just showing you the versatility that comes with these mounts. A nice view of that nice sunset there. Now I'm going to take it off the helmet and I'm going to put it here, and obviously I'm just going to show you some footage, no sound for now, because I'm going to take it on the bike and then show you here, and then we'll wrap it up at home. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but the cool thing is I've got this flip out display right here that I'm using to see myself in the center of the frame, which is freaking cool. And then you can also see the bike there. This Beyond Riders protective hoodie, it is 39 degrees outside. I'm wearing only a t-shirt underneath and I feel no wind coming through. It is freaking awesome. Make sure you go check them out at beyondriders.com. Look how easy that was. I just literally took the camera off, dismount here without even looking, and put it right on the helmet, now connected with my mic. I'm telling you, so far, if the sound holds, this camera is a game changer. Stay tuned for more updates and more videos here. Thanks for watching.